Good morning, beautiful people, here from Bali, here from my beautiful rooftop in Canggu. Today I'm going to talk about the topic travel endurance. People ask me that question over and over again. What type of travel endurance to use? So that really depends on your country of origin, duration of travels, how valuable your stuff is, what you carry with you, what kind of activities you're going to do, okay? If you leave your home country and you're going to go to New Zealand and do all this crazy bungee jumping stuff and jumping out of aeroplanes, climbing mountains, volcanoes that might erupt and stuff like that, you definitely want to make sure your travel endurance covers emergency evacuation, yeah? If you are going to climb Kilimanjaro and you're about to get a heart attack up there, you do want to have a helicopter flight included in that travel endurance, okay? Other things to consider are medical endurance, accidental death, travel protection, and lost baggage, of course. You all know my story, so mine wasn't covered because I have a special case of endurances I'm going to explain now. Don't go for the cheapest. There's lots of comparison websites online where you can compare where you're coming from, where you're going, the duration, stuff like that. But don't make the mistake and go for the cheapest. Look at their payout, okay? If you save $10, but the payout is a difference of $500,000, well, right. And look at the excess. Most of travel endurance have high excesses. That means if your luggage is worth $150, all the stuff which is inside, and the excess is $100, well, you know what I mean? It is possible to find travel endurances with quite low excess. That again depends on many different other factors. So there is no answer to which exact travel endurance is best for you, because it depends on you, on your travel style. So for me personally, I'm going to tell you what helped me along my journey and what may be good for you too, because my style of travel is I leave my home country and I don't know when I will be returning. So what do we do then? I have a basic travel endurance from Alliance, which is only valid if I depart to my journey from Germany. Now, it's only valid for 6 weeks and then it's finished. And this costs me €8 per year. Saying that, it's a very basic travel endurance which does not cover any baggage loss or extreme sports, and no longer than 6 weeks, okay? So after those 6 weeks, I usually hop over to travel endurance called World Nomads. I absolutely love them and I always go with them. I love them because I don't have to be in my home country to book them. Most endurances require you to be in the country and book it before you leave, avoidance of fraud and stuff like that. So with World Nomads, you can book them whenever you want, wherever you want, for how long you want. And they cover most of extreme sports, like I mentioned earlier, bungee jumping, volcano climbing, mountain climbing, skydiving, scuba diving, all these extreme things I like to do. So you may be an adventurer as well, maybe not. So this may be for you or maybe not. Check it out. I put the link below in the description. One thing you want to think about before you go is put the details of your travel insurance into your purse, the policy number and the number you need to ring should you be needing them. Of course, sometimes when you get hit by a bus or run over by a bull or something like that, you might not be able to just ring your travel insurance and ask them before, hey, is this covered? But you might want to talk to them after, so make sure you've got those details in your purse, or even more secure, just make a copy of it, a photo of it, and upload it in your Google Drive, as well as your passport details and all these important things, just in case they get stolen. And that's about it. A travel insurance is you don't really need a travel insurance until you need it. So it can be really expensive if you do not have one. So please guys, make sure you do your research before you leave home. I have a friend back in Australia. He got actually hit by a bus in Thailand and he didn't have insurance, and he experienced some serious injuries, and now he needs to cover all this stuff for himself. Luckily he survived. When shit hits the fan, you want to make sure you're covered. Okay, cool. Well, if you like my video, thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below, let us know what type of travel insurance you use so everyone can benefit from your information as well. And then I will see you in the next video. Peace.